Hey guys, it's Roy from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with a super quick video showing you guys how to remove poetic cases from your device. I've been reviewing poetic cases for a very long time, and I'm a huge fan of them. They are some of the most protective cases that you can put on your devices. Now that being said, without fail, whenever I post a video with one of these cases on them, I will get a comment several years later saying, how do I remove it? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to do that here real quick. This will work for the Poetic Revolution, the Poetic Guardian, and the Poetic Spartan, as well as a few other cases with a similar design. To take them off, you're just going to flip them over. You're going to look for the bottom right corner, so when the case or when the device is facing you in the bottom right corner, you'll see this teensy little bit of a notch. If you look, compare it to this left corner versus the right corner, there's just a little bit of a notch or a groove in there. You can stick your finger in there, stick a coin, something else, and you just peel that back. Once you've got that one off, start peeling it all the way around. Go to the other side, do the same thing. And then take the front panel and then pop that off. And presto, you are good to go. If you guys have any questions about this process, if you have any questions about Poetic or about anything else that you've seen in this video, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.